Hey cake lovers, welcome to my channel. So today guys, I'll be sharing with you a really easy vanilla cake recipe. This recipe has no eggs and is really easy to make. Let's get started. So right now I just added in my fat, equal parts of butter and oil. Butter for flavor and oil will keep the cake super moist. And in goes my icing sugar, and I'm just gonna mix that really well. So I just added in the condensed milk and mix also very well. So I just mixed that for like a minute, and in goes my vanilla. This recipe guys is really easy to make, and now my vinegar, you will love it. Trust me guys, trust me on this one. And we're just gonna mix that really well. And it's ready. So we're just gonna add baking powder and baking soda to flour, and we mix that in. And it's time to mix our wet and dry ingredients together. And that's it. In goes my milk now. I'm just gonna fold it in with my spatula. And I'll repeat this process up until my milk and flour is exhausted. So I did it in 2 parts. So I go in with my whisk. I really want it silky and smooth, so the whisk is gonna help me achieve that. That's it. Really easy. Can you see how fluffy and smooth this batter is? Guys, it's really easy. You have to try this recipe. I just prepared my pan by lining with some parchment paper and as well spraying with some cooking spray. And now we're just gonna tap the cake pan to release any air bubble, and it's ready for baking. Guys, we can as well cook our cake and have it. So we are cooking this cake, and I just preheated my pots on medium heat for like 10 minutes, and voila, in goes our cake ready to be cooked. We will cover the cake with some foil paper. We want to create the oven-like environment in here. We will cook for 30 to 35 minutes, and it's ready. It's ready guys. It's so beautiful. I love it. The method is easy guys. You have no excuse. You can cook your cake and have it. And there you go. It's really fluffy. Can you see the color? This is what happens when you cook on really low heat. So guys, you must cook on 4 if you have the range. And that's it. Voila! I love this recipe. So guys, have you subscribed to my channel? Please guys, subscribe to my channel, like and share this video, and leave me a comment down there. I want to hear from you guys how well you tried this recipe. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop me a comment. I'll be really happy to help you out. Always remember, Bake with Chini is all about easy. I make easy recipes customizable to your kitchen, and you can see the outcome of this recipe. It is fluffy, it is yummy, it is amazing. I love you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!